Okay. So one problem, one solution, we need to develop that one. For that purpose, go to the my JavaScript folder, Within that, so give it as a joining. It is not required to admit everyone, admit all. Okay, here we need to focus programs. So that is the purpose. I need to create one folder. This folder name JS programs. Okay, JS programs. This JS programs location level, I need to open the VS Code. Code space dot. Okay. So first one we are going to focusing through the JavaScript. Whenever I'm going to click the button, I need to change the content. So that is the purpose. One uh, HTML page I'm going to creating. That page name I'm going to providing change HTML. Change HTML like that. I need to create. This is the file name is extension must be. I need to define .html. So .html you need to provide. So I need to get the HTML structure, explanatory symbol through. I need to get the HTML structure here. So heading I'm going to providing title heading I'm going to providing understanding purpose. Change HTML content. What is the meaning of this one? I'm going to provide the body level. One heading I'm going to providing. What can JavaScript do? This is the heading. Okay. Here I need to provide one paragraph. This paragraph level, I need to provide click me kind of one. Here, click me like that. I'm going to provide the message. So whenever I'm going to click this one, what it is happen? Click me like that. I'm going to provide it. That one is otherwise simply paragraph level. You can define some message. What is the message? JavaScript can change HTML HTML content. This is the paragraph. So after that, here I'm going to providing one button. One button I'm going to providing. That button is click me. Whenever I'm going to click this one, I need to change this paragraph inside whatever the tester. This test is there. This test I need to change. Whenever I'm going to click the button, that paragraph level test I need to change. If I want to change the tester, what I need to do? I need to recognizing this paragraph or not. How to recognizing this paragraph? ID. ID. Here I need to provide demo. Based on this ID, whenever I'm going to click the button, I need to change the test message. That is the purpose. On click event is required or not. Here type equal to, we need to provide the button type, and event I need to provide here. On click event I need to provide that one. Let's read this. So here we need to provide what? On click event. Whenever I'm going to click this on click, I need to change the my paragraph information. Paragraph inside content. That is the purpose. I need to use what? Document dot get element by ID. What is the ID? Demo. What is the ID? Demo. So that the reason how to provide this one here. How to provide this one here? Quotations inside we need to provide here demo get the element by ID. I'm going to providing quotations. After that, here one more quotation is also required on click, right? So that one also I need to provide here. Get element by. Even you can use here single quotation also okay. Single quotation you can use that one. And after that, where it is closing, here I need to close single quotation I'm going to provide it. So get element by ID. So based on that ID, we are going to get the information that ID level I need to inject inner HTML, inner HTML. That HTML level, what kind of message it is required, what kind of message I need to pass equal to hello Java script, simple message. Hello JavaScript. Hello JavaScript. This is the message I'm going to injecting. Okay. CCC. This is the HTML page. This is the way it is going to display. Whenever I'm going to click this paragraph level information, it is going to change it or not. We need to test this one. Yes. Yes. Refresh. Yes. It is changed, right? So dynamically it is changing that one. Click this one, it is going to changing. That is the kind of functionality I am provided this one. So this example through you need to understand how to use get element by ID to recognizing particular paragraph or any kind of thing through the ID. You can use document.getElementI by ID. Within that paragraph level, test if you want to change, you need to use inner HTML, injecting purpose, adding purpose. Okay. So Alt Shift F, alignment is done. This is the way HTML page. I'm going to provided this one in the chart box so that whenever you people are accessing, you can able to see that one. Even this output screenshot also I'm going to providing in the chat box so that what we discussed you can able to understand. That is the first problem. That is the first program we are observed today. Next, totally we are going to focusing programs only today. Okay, so that you can get the idea where to use, how to use this JavaScript. Okay, instead of going to see simple kind of things, we need to understand this one. Next, instead of going to change the normal kind of text, can I change CSS also by using JavaScript? By using JavaScript, you can change the HTML CSS. Okay, we need to understand that one also. We need to change that font size or color. I need to change. So that's the reason what I need to do now. I need to take this one as it is copy. Here I need to paste this one here. How to paste this one? Control V. I need to change this name, rename. Here I need to provide change HTML CSS. This is the way I'm going to modify the file. Okay. So this file we are going to focusing. What I need to do, previously change the content. Now I don't want to change the content. I need to change what? CSS. So that there is an inner HTML I'm going to remove. Inner HTML, I'm going to remove this one. Here what is required? Style is required. Style. We need to provide here what? Style. Style dot. Here dot is required. First we need to provide the dot. After the style dot. What is the style I need to change? What thing I need to change here? Color. Color equal to. I need to provide here red color. I'm going to provide it. So this is the way we are going to provide it. Go to the folder. This is the file. Open this one. Okay, your visibility purpose, I'm going to increase in the font. So now previously, whenever I'm going to click, it is changed what? Content, right? Now, if I'm going to click this one, I need to change this one, right? Color property. Color property I need to define. Here, how to define color? We are going to using this kind of way. Key values, if I'm going to specify, it is not recognizing. So equal to only, but this is what we need to provide. We need to provide here. We are going to using red directly. We are going to provide it. What is that one? Understanding is difficult. So quotations I'm going to provide it. Now it is going to change it. Now it is going to change it this one. So JavaScript is dynamically change the content. JavaScript is dynamically change the CSS also, right? How to change the CSS? Observe this one. To recognizing that paragraph, document dot get element by ID. That style changing purpose dot style. Which property? Color. What is the color? Red. Suppose if I want to change the size, font size, how to define? How to define? Tell me. Here, color place level, font size equal to 35 pixels. Based on that, it is going to changing that one. Okay. So for our reference purpose, JavaScript style changing functionality. I'm going to copy paste. Even this is also this output also, this changes also. I'm going to copy paste for our reference. Okay. So go to here and paste it. Two programs we have observed till now. Next, we need to focus another kind of one. We people are at least take the snap and try to practice. Okay. Next, change the HTML content is we are observed, right? So we need to focus a different kind of way. One more program I'm going to focusing that one. Hide the HTML element. Hide and show kind of functionalities we are going to focusing. Okay, hide and show kind of functionalities we are going to focusing. So go to here and creating one more HTML file. Here I need to provide hide and show .html. I'm going to create it here, and I need to provide here what? HTML. How to get the HTML structure? Exclamatory symbol, press enter. We are going to get like this. So I don't want to use this meta text and all. Remove this one. Okay. Here I need to provide title, hide and show. Hide and show we are going to define. Here I need to provide what? Heading I am going to using. What can JavaScript do? These kind of functionalities we are going to checking. This is the third one. Okay. Here we need to define paragraph. Just understanding purpose, simple thing I'm going to using. This paragraph recognition purpose ID equal to what? Demo. ID equal to demo. Here I need to provide uh, display. I'm going to say style equal to display none. Display none I'm going to providing. So here we need to provide hello JavaScript. Okay, this is the paragraph. Here I need to provide what? Button. Button I'm going to providing. This button name is click me. Okay, here I need to provide type. What is the type of this button? Button type only. So type equal to button. So here on click event I'm going to providing. I need to perform the action on click equal to what I need to do here. What is the functionality? I need to block. I need to display block color kind of thing. Okay, so that is the kind of thing I need to provide. So that is in document here document dot get element by id. That id is what? Demo is the id. To recognizing that particular paragraph, I need to provide that one dot style dot. I'm going to providing here display. The display equal to, I need to provide here block. We are going to providing block block. I'm going to provide it. So what it is happen if I'm going to using like this? So Alt Shift F, I'm going to provide it this one. Alt Shift F, I'm going to provide it. Now go to this one. Where is that one? Hide and show. It is going to display like this. Just only one button only I'm going to provide it. If I'm going to click this one, so by default, what happened here? Paragraph is display none, right? Even I'm going to provide it here. If I'm going to click this one, I need to display basically JavaScript kind of information, whatever it is there, that information I need to provide here. That is the main intention. Okay, so we are going to provide it here. IDs demo we are going to provide it. Style equal to display none. I'm going to provide it here. So this is the one I need to specify here. Semicolon is not required. Just I'm going to provide the paragraph level this kind of way. This style I need to change. So that is the purpose on click level. What I'm doing, document dot get element by ID. We are going to recognize in this ID. The style display equal to, I'm going to provide in the block. This kind of way I'm going to provide it. So we are going to see here hide and show kind of one. So by default only, if I'm going to click this one, it is going to opening, right? It is going to opening my paragraph. That is the main intention. But what happened here? It is not at all showing. See, I'm going to remove this script, save it, and go to here. Where is that paragraph? Paragraph is where? Here we are going to define style is none, display none. I'm going to provide, right? So here I'm going to remove this one and check. The observations are important. So go to here. We are going to get this one. If I'm going to click this one, I need to change. I need to hide. I need to hide this one. I need to hide that one. Okay. So that is the purpose. I need to provide here style tag. I need to style attribute. I need to provide that one. So we need to use here style display none. Display none. I'm going to provide it. So this is the way we are going to hiding. If I'm going to remove this one, that is the style none I'm going to provide, right? If I'm going to click that one, the style information, the display information, the style dot display information, I need to change. Here, what kind of things you can able to provide? Display level, what kind of things you need to provide? Style dot display. If you want to see multiple kind of one properties values, you can see like this style dot display. If I'm going to check like this, see how CSS display properties are available. What are the properties are available? None, inline, block, inline block, like that multiple things are available. Initially I'm going to provide a display is what? None type we are going to provide it here. So this is the one initially. So if I'm going to say initially none, it is not at all displaying that one. This value this value I need to change. I need to change. So that value, how to change here? You can able to use these kind of things. Inline, I'm going to using here block. So go to here. I need to provide here block. Block I'm going to provide it. So if I need to go to here browser and refresh, by default it is going to blocking. By default it is going to blocking. What are other kind of things? You need to use inline. You need to check inline is working or not. Inline, save it, go to here and go to browser and refresh. Inline is also not working. So here generally browser compatibility, you need to check that one. Browser compatibility, you need to check that one. So whenever I'm going to click that display none, it is going to changing to the whatever you are going to specify that style, it is going to get automatically. Color is we are getting, but CSS that styling is only problem because of compatibility issues. Generally what happened, browser if it is supported, what happened, display none. If I'm going to using here this kind of code, what it is happening here, what is this one, where it is display none, where it is available, you can check here. We are going to see different kind of one paragraph color we are going to specify. This is a display now, ex1 example 1. So hello world is not there. This is the one is hidden. This is the one is hidden. This particular paragraph level, this hello world is hidden. See this one, it's not display. Second one is what, inline. Inline means what happened, inside only, inside paragraph only. Hello world is, it is going to display. Hello world is display. Next example 3, ex3. Ex3 is what, block type. So this is the one. So block means this is the way it is going to display, block type. So inline block is there. So what are the way it is going to display here? It is going to showing inline as well as block type also it is going to display. So basically display property, this one, that is the functionality based on the browser compatibility, it is going to working. You need to check that one. So this code, different browsers level, different kind of browsers level, you need to verify.